Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by claiming or creating your restaurant profile on Zomato. This is where customers find you, so accuracy matters. Once done, upload legal documents like FSI and GST and add a verified owner ID to speed approval. Make sure to prepare 812 high-resolution photos and a clean menu PDF with prices. This saves back and forth. Next, set your delivery radius and operating hours, because those directly affect visibility and order eligibility. Now you enter detailed menu and fulfillment settings. This is the complex middle work that determines customer experience. Add each dish with descriptions, modifiers, and images so ordering is intuitive. Inconsistent names confuse customers. Then set pricing, tax parameters, delivery fees, minimum order, and realistic prep times to avoid cancellations. Finally, choose delivery method, integrate Zomato's fleet or enable own delivery, and test the handoff. You're ready to go live. Enable launch promotions and track early orders closely to fix issues fast. Monitor ratings, cancellation reasons, and daily reports so you can adjust menu items, prices, or prep time. This data explains customer behavior. If problems arise, troubleshoot systematically. Re-verify uploaded documents, confirm menu sync, test checkout and payment flows, and gather screenshots and order ID before contacting partner support. That speeds resolution and keeps your account in good standing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.